students. Myself, JB and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed JBC 6th semester. We'll discuss the topic new relation in frog. Formation of neural tube by ectodermal cell flatten into neural plate called neurulation. Edge of the plate is elevated to forms neural folds, and the center of the plate sink forming neural groove. Neural folds and neural groove then fuse and forms a neural tube. Okay, anterior end develops into brain and posterior ends develops into spinal cord, right? See in this plate. Next, neural crest. The neural crest is the cortical structures that guided the formation of several organ systems. The neural crest forms on the either side to the points of fusion to cell migrate. It cell migrate to form the dorsal root ganglia, the post ganglionic sympathetic neurons, many sense organs and pigment forming cells. Okay. Notogenesis, it is the process of formation of notochord is called notogenesis. The mesoendodermal cell lying in mid-dorsal region of roof of orchidron separates from mesoderm layer, and later notochordal sheath develops around the notochord. Right? In adult, notochord is replaced by vertebral column. Seen all processes in plates. Mesogenesis lying on sides of notochord thicken and become segmented, forming blocks called epimeres or mesodermal somites or vertebral plates. The rest of mesoderms remains unsegmented and forms hypomere or lateral plate mesoderm. Between epimere and hypomere, there is a thick segmented ridge of mesoderm known as mesomere or nephrotome. Lateral plate of mesoderm. Coelom is the body cavity and it is mesodermal in origin. Mesodermal layer is split into two thin layers, outer somatic layer and inner visceral layer. Between these two layers, a cavity is formed called splanchocele. which extend downwards and continuous to outside below the gut. Okay. Outer somoid layers combines the ectoderm to form body ball somatoclure, and inner visceral layer unites with endoderm and forms gut wall splanchoclure. Right? See in these plates, blastocele, coelom, mesoderm, architeuron cavities, the formation of somites. See in the plate, somite mesoderm. At the end of fourth week, each somite undergoes more differentiation and has myocele and dermatome. Myocele cell-like cavity contain condensation of cell which divide, and by this way somite grow. Dermatome beneath the myocele which eventually spread beneath the ectoderm to form the dermis and dermis of skin. Okay. Divisions of myocele. Medially sclerotome, laterally sclerotome. Okay. Nephrostome, early embryonic development in upper level of lateral plate mesoderm becomes separated off from the ventral sheath of mesoderm to give rise to the excretory and parts of reproductive system. This is known as the intermediate cell mass or mesomere because of its position relative to the other masses of mesoderm. It is also known as the nephrotome because it gives rise to excretory units. Both the larval pronephros and the functional mesonephros of the frog. Right? Enterogenesis, gut developed from the architeuron. The yolk plug is withdrawn into floor of architeuron and blastopore is closed by ectoderm. Foregut formed in front of yolk mass differentiated into pharynx, esophagus and stomach. Midgut formed of yolk mass differentiated into intestine, and hindgut formed behind yolk mass and differentiated into rectum and cloaca. Ectodermal invagination below position of blastopore forms the pro proctodia rudiments, gives rise to cloacal aperture. Right? Ectodermal invagination on lower side of anterior end forms the stomodial rudiments, give rise to mouth and buccal cavity, and outgrowth from gut gives rise to many organs: thymus, liver, pancreas, thyroid, urinary bladder, lungs and larynx. The region behind the proctodium grow into a tailbud, the horseshoe shaped glandular feet called sulcus rudiments grow behind stomodial rudiments. Rudiments of sense organs also appears. Okay, hertz is formed from splanchnic mesoderm below pharynx. Two pair of external gills rise on side of anterior regions. Growth in length, change in shape, and organogenesis finally change the embryo into a larva ready for hatching. Okay, the archaeopteron develops from endoderm. The dorsal ectoderm folds to form the neural plate, and early organogenesis in frog embryo. The neural plate which off to generate the neural tube, which will be which will develops into brain and spinal cord. The notochord form from mesoderms, right? And other mesoderm cells form tissue that lines the coelom. The somites will give rise to segmental structures such as vertebrae. Okay, thank you.